Hello, this is Mrs. Mercer, Decatur Township District Reading Specialist, here to teach your Sunday Level 30 Day 2 lesson for today. You are going to read the sounds on the following slides. Remember to say all the sounds you know for each slide. Okay, so if we've learned 2 sounds for a letter or a letter combination, please say those, as well as the short and the long vowel sound. And I will try to prompt you for those. So let's get going and try to do this as quickly as possible. Remember, parents and teachers at home or wherever, when they make an error, have them trace it 3 times. And you would say something like, this is the letter M, which says as in mouse. You would show the keyword slide. I think it's mouse, I can't remember, but have them trace it 3 times. While they're looking at the letter, this will help them get a visual, kinesthetic, and an auditory input. Okay, this one has 2 sounds. Look at the pictures to kind of give you a little bit of a reminder of the 2 sounds. Two sounds. Look at the pictures as a prompt. Remember, if you need any more time, shorten the long sound for this, you can pause the video to give yourself time to produce the sound. Shorten the long sound. Shorten the long sound. The short and the long sound. Short and the long sound. Okay, now we're on to the spell sound section of our lesson. So right here, I'm going to give you a sound. You will repeat the sound, and then you're going to write the sound right here in this section here. So the first sound, sl, sl. Repeat, then write. Next sound, ooh, ooh. Okay, sound after that, ow, ow. Then ing, all, and oi. Okay. Then on the bottom 2 lines, or over here on this section, if you have room over here, I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. Actually, I'm going to ask you 3 questions today, and I want you to write your answers on those blanks right there. Hang on a second. My glasses are awfully blurry today. Okay, so what are 4 ways to spell long A? Write the 4 ways you know to spell long A. Okay. And then what are the 3 ways of spelling long E? Okay, and then how do you spell k after a short vowel? When you hear the k sound after a short vowel, how do you spell it? Okay. Now I just want you to take a moment, pause the video, and read these words out loud. Okay, we're going to review touch spelling. Remember, your writing instrument is in the hand you write with. Obviously, if you're right-handed, then you will finger spell starting with your pinky with your left. If you're left-handed, you'll finger spell with your thumb. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to give you some words. You will repeat the word, touch spell, and write. You will need to pause the video after each word. Okay, so first word, ride. Repeat, touch spell, write. Stuck. Good. Packed. Frown. Trust. Sight word, don't. Brain. Shave. Blown. Caveman. And down. Take a moment and check over all of your words and make sure they look correct. If you think you found an error, correct it now. Now let's check together. Okay. Okay, so look at your words. Are these how you have spelled the words given? If you find that you made an error, cross it out and write it correctly. Okay, now take a moment, pause the video, and read the words that you have just written, only after they've been corrected. Okay. All right, so now we're going to be on the spell phrases and sentences section of the lesson. So listen carefully. I'm going to give you a sentence. You're going to tap out one word per, you're going to tap out one word per finger for the sentence, and then you're going to write the sentence. You will need to pause the video to give yourself enough time to do this. So, first sentence, the dog will howl at the moon. Repeat, tap, write. Next sentence, did you press the silk gown? Okay, take a moment and check over your sentences. Pause if you did not have time to write them. Check for capitalization, accuracy. Did you have the right number of words in your sentence? Good spacing in between your words. P, punctuation, and of course S for spelling. Okay, let's check. Do your sentences look like this? Do you have the right capitals at the beginning? Right ending marks? Are your words spelled correctly? If not, correct them now. Pause the video and make your corrections. Okay. Then I want you to pause the video and read both sentences out loud. Okay, so now we're on our intro to new sound section. Okay, so today we're going to learn ER for farmer. ER, the rule right here, I forgot to put rule there. ER is found in the middle of a word or at the end as a suffix. Okay, so I want you to trace 3 times. Er. Okay. ER in the middle of a word or at the end of a word as a suffix. So now we're going to write this in our student notebook in the intro new material on the little lines at the bottom. Okay, now we're going to practice reading some words with ER. Okay. Pause the video and read these ER words. You'll see that ER is either in the middle or at the end of the word. Okay, now we're going to take some time and practice spelling some words with the sound. Okay, remember we're going to touch spell. So I'm going to say the word, you'll repeat the word, and then you will touch spell and write the word. Her. Repeat her, and then you're going to touch spell. Okay, and then write. Probably have to pause in between each word. Perch. Perch. Term. Now I'm going to pretend to be a lefty. Sooner. Sooner. Deeper. Deeper. Blacker. Blacker. Okay. Take a moment and look at your words. Do you think they are spelled correctly? If not, make some corrections. Now let's check. Okay. Is this what you have written? If not, cross it out and write it correctly. Okay. All right, so now we're going to the read aloud section. This is a repeat of what we had last time. Okay. All right, let's pause between. Okay. Pause and give yourself time to read each sentence. Not each sentence, each page. Pause and read the words on each page. Wish I could just take my face off of here for certain slides, but I can't. Pause. Remember down here it says, Moo went Martha. Pause to read this page. 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 And pause to read this page, our final page. Okay, that's the end of our Sonday Level 30 Day 2 lesson for today. Thank you and have a great day.